Hello there, I'm AJ the Reading Robot, and I created these really cool electromagnetic poles that help us look at long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Do you want to see how they work? Okay, let me show you how they work. Okay, just a minute. Let me plug them in. Uh-oh, looks like they're working. First, we will look at long vowel sounds. Next, we will look at short vowel sounds. These are long vowel sounds for the letter E.
Feet. Eat. Feet. Meat. Eat. Meat. Leap. Ooh. Eep. Leap. Seed. Eed. Seed. Read. Eed. Read.
Oh, gee golly geographics. Here they go again. Let me fix it. These are short vowel sounds for the letter E.
Pet. Et. Pet. Kept. Et. Kept. Let. Ooh. Et. Let. Get. Et. Get. Check. Ek. Check.
Uh-oh, it looks like the poles are powering down. Well, I guess that's all for today. I really enjoyed our time today. Thanks for stopping by the lab. I'll see you next time.